Welcome to another episode of Titbit. Kumbh Mela, the largest human gathering on earth. The Kumbh Mela is the largest religious gathering on earth, where millions of Hindu pilgrims come together to take a holy dip in sacred rivers. It is a festival of faith, spirituality, and devotion, attracting people from all over the world. What is Kumbh Mela? Kumbh Mela is a mass Hindu pilgrimage where devotees gather to bathe in one of four sacred rivers. The festival is believed to cleanse sins and bring salvation, moksha. It takes place every 12 years at four different locations in India. 1. Prayagraj, Allahabad, at the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and mythical Saraswati rivers. 2. Haridwar on the banks of the Ganges River. 3. Ujjain on the Shipra River. 4. Nashik on the Godavari River. A smaller version, called Ardh Kumbh Mela, happens every 6 years at Prayagraj and Haridwar. The Mahakumbh Mela, the most significant, occurs every 144 years in Prayagraj. Mythological origins. According to Hindu mythology, the Kumbh Mela is linked to the Samudra Manthan, churning of the ocean. The gods, devas, and demons, asuras, churned the ocean to obtain the nectar of immortality, Amrita. As they fought over the nectar, drops fell in four locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. These places became sacred, and the Kumbh Mela is celebrated there. Record-breaking crowds. The 2013 Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj attracted over 120 million people over 55 days. On 10 February 2013, around 30 million people bathed in the river on a single day, the largest human gathering in history. The 2019 Kumbh Mela had more than 240 million visitors over 2 months. Did you love the information so far? Please consider subscribing to Titbit for more such content. Key highlights of Kumbh Mela. 1. Shahi Snan, Royal Bath. The main ritual of Kumbh Mela, where saints, sadhus, and devotees take a dip in the holy river at specific times. It is believed to purify the soul and remove sins. The Naga sadhus, ash-covered naked ascetics, are the first to bathe, leading the procession. 2. Akras and Sadhus. Akras are spiritual groups of saints and monks that play a key role in the festival. Different types of sadhus attend, including Naga sadhus, naked ascetics, Urdhvahurs, who practice extreme penance, and Parivrajka sadhus, silent monks. Many display incredible yogic powers and spiritual wisdom. 3. Cultural and spiritual events. Religious discourses, bhajans, devotional songs, and kirtans are held throughout the event. Visitors can attend yoga sessions, spiritual debates, and philosophical discussions. The festival showcases India's rich heritage through music, dance, and storytelling. 4. Tent cities and mega infrastructure. Temporary tent cities are set up to accommodate millions of pilgrims. Massive kitchens serve free food, langar, to all visitors. Thousands of police officers and volunteers manage crowd control and security. Global recognition and impact. The UNESCO has listed Kumbh Mela as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. It attracts not only Hindus but also tourists, researchers, and spiritual seekers from around the world. A perfect example of faith, discipline, and large-scale human coordination. When is the current Kumbh Mela? The current Kumbh Mela was held in 2025 at Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India. It will be a Mahakumbh Mela, the grandest one, which happens once in 144 years.